यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। यारो मोहब्बत ही तो बंदगी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो दिलबर हो यार, जिसको तुझसे हो प्यार, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार। तेरी हर एक बुराई पे डांटे वो दोस्त, गम की हो धूप तो साया बने तेरा वो दोस्त, नाचे भी वो तेरी खुशी में। Na 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 na.
From almost 8 years, I met him in 2006 in Cadis RR office, and I think we used to sit beside in the same cabin. He's not never behaved like a boss. He always a mentor, and I like his captaincy. He's very much focused.
Yeah, for 4 years I know him. I would like to remember him as a real hero. I guess he inspired not only me, many of us, how to develop your personality and how to take ownership of the things. That's the best part we all of us can follow.
Satya, I know, met him first in 2005. So it's been now 10 years. In between we lost touch, or I didn't keep in touch with him. Then again I kept in touch with him by sending my CV. He never made me feel that he was my boss, so I remember him as a friend.
How long? 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7, 8 years.
From past 4 years I know Satya and I remember him as mentor. Actually he will give proper guidance to do what not to do. I know Satya from past 3 years and I remember him as a boss and a mentor.
I've known him for almost 5 years. No, 4 years after I joined PAG as the chief.
I joined PAG in 2010 and from that time I know you as a boss, as a friend. It was easy really working with you, working under you.
I know Satya from past 6-7 years and yeah, he's like a friend, like a mentor. Yeah, he's more like many things in one person.
I've known Satya for more than 3 years since I joined Cadis. I would remember him as the captain of the whole PAG ship.
I know him from last, I think, past 3 years. It's quite long. Like I met him once when he came back to India. Like my first day in office, I met him, and what quite surprising. Like so big guy talking to me, and he was so cool and calm. Like I can't like he got really good team lead. Like he can motivate anybody, and I got really motivated by him.
नाइटमेयर तो मैं बोल नहीं सकता, तू समझ रहा है कि नहीं? I would say boss in the office and a friend outside the office.
I know Satya from past 1 year. I met Satya first time when after my hospitalizations, and he told my first word, "I Roman." I still remember this word.
So I've known Satya for a couple of years now, and I would remember him as the person who used to lead our team and who took our team from a certain level and left it at a certain level, which is much higher than from where it began.
I know Satya for last 3 years, I think, and I would remember him as a captain. Yeah.
I know Satya from last 3.5 years. When I joined Catus, that day 1 onwards till now I know. For me, he's a good motivator and personally a friend outside the office.
यारों जी भर के जीले पल लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा.
Whenever I scolded by Satya, I think I feel more energized. Because he never scold personally. He used to scold the work, but it always made me to think twice whether I'm right, where I'm wrong, and it's made me to correct my own abilities or my own mistakes.
He never scolded me. Maybe when he became anger, then few of his words are very enjoyable. enjoyable. हम कुछ नहीं तो कस्टमर के सामने जाके नन्ना खड़ा हो गया क्या?
When I come to on-site, everyone were telling me like you'll come to know the real Satya because you'll be scolding so badly in Hindi it seems, but I never seen you scolding anyone.
Fortunately, unfortunately, never been scolded by Satya yet. Maybe he would have felt that there's no use scolding me, but I've seen him scold other people. It would have been embarrassing if he had scolded me.
As a serious stress engineer and more than familiar with this question, it was fun. It was, most of the time it was just fun. Yeah.
Actually, I never scolded Satya. The thing is, whenever he scolds others, I enjoy it.
I had a real incident. He knows it. And after that, he never scolded.
I'll not treat it as a scoldings, but rather whenever he talks something, I mean, in recent times also he talked to me so many things, but it's always like a good, I'll take it as an advice, not like scolding.
I was never scolded by Satya.
At that moment, we feel really bad, but once you realize why he scolded, then we'll feel like, okay, we'll understand why he scolded and we'll learn something from him.
So when I got scolded by Satya for the first few minutes, I never realized that I was getting scolded. But then at one point of time, I realized that oh my god, yeah.
So whenever comes a situation, never.
You're very lucky.
Yeah.
Luckily, I was never scolded by him.
You're so unlucky.
Usually Satya never scold individual. In a group way he will scold. Usually it will be very funny because he used to speak in Hindi, which I don't understand.
I think Satya never scolded me. Maybe sometimes I think if some of our deliveries, if it has gone wrong or something like that, then I will give some explanation that because of this reason it got some problem. Then he will say maybe it won't be satisfying.
यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा. यारों जी भर के जीले पल लगता है आजकल.
He's a mentor. He's a gentleman, and he's very focused in whatever the duties or whatever the work he used to do, and he always got the target, and target need to be reached in the target date. There is no excuse. Don't give any excuse to Satya. Just deliver. Make him happy.
He's very good in solving the situations. I mean, he can fix anything. So that's really good. And if we can be at his level, it's really good. Not only for me, it's for everyone.
The quality of getting the job done by hook or by crook.
Okay.
And one quality which I will not be able to emulate is his fantastic mustache.
I think he has got a lot of patience, and probably I will try to emulate this quality of Satya. And one more quality he has that he does not yield under pressure or in difficult circumstances. And this is the quality I don't think I would be able to emulate.
He always, actually, what I observed him, he never stops, whatever it is. He just takes forward and further to complete the task. Anything, whatever it is, personal issue or technical, non-technical, anything. He's having heavy motivation. He has himself a motivated person actually.
Okay.
He never sat and thinking a long time and then just applies. It
Okay.
works good.
From Satya, I like his dareness. His quality is very good dareness.
I appreciate his ownership skills, and I think he's a real, I can say a real commander. He takes step forward and he says yes.
I would like to emulate his qualities, the energy with which he does the work, and the can-do attitude. This is what I want to emulate. Yeah. Quick reply for each and everything. Whatever you ask, you'll be having ready answer.
Satya leads by example, and that's something which I hope to do in the future. And the quality that I wouldn't be able to emulate is like he has something called Dirgha Drishti, which is like a huge forecast within 6 months and see how things go, and that's really amazing. And I don't think that's really easy to come up with.
To juggle with a lot of work at the same time, he actually learned stress to do CDS, which all of us know. In 2012, he checked all the stress report, which I completely admired him because he checked everything. Being a designer or from a design background, I was amazed. So that's something which I would like to, emulate. I don't know if I could do it. It's easier said than done.
So the quality of his that I really appreciate and I would try to and I would love to have is his way of communication across different levels of people, and the way he harmonizes the communication, and how he changes his level of speaking and understanding based on who he's speaking to, and how he's how he's going to communicate with them.
Want to learn from him leadership quality. Really, he's a really good leader. He's a good mentor. He can motivate anybody, and we have to learn from him like leadership. It's not too easy to have so big like leader and so cool guy.
Maybe, yeah, it will be his leadership. He's very good in that because he is handling a big team here, and it was going very well. I don't know what will happen if he is leaving PAG. Let's see.
I think Satya have a good leadership qualities. The way he handled all the team, design stress, construction team all over, it was really nice. And he have a really creative thinking, and the thing which I cannot emulate from Satya is he is a good painter, which I personally like. I'm a great fan for it.
He's really surprised when I came back from my vacation. He told that I'm resigned. He's really surprised from because I never thought he will be going to leave the company, because we are at the peak and we are almost getting more and more work from PAG and some other places also. Anyway, his intention is to build his own empire for maybe his own sake, or maybe to give more opportunities to more young fellows like us. So it's a good decision maybe from Satya.
Very first moment, I was not knowing him. Like he's a manager, but he was so cool and calm. Like really, I got surprised. Like in previous company, I met many managers, and they were like behaving like manager. But tickets are really like a friendly nature.
There have been many such incidents over the time that I've spent with Satya, and it has been really a pleasure to be able to interact with him, because you get to learn from him every day. You get to learn many different things. So this I really appreciate.
This one is awesome. I asked him for vacation for 3 weeks and he said, "Le, char, le." That was so surprising, man. Yeah, well, long time ago,
Sirius we had a big, well, Sirius was a big sinking ship, and everything was going crazy, quality was bad, and that time Satya left design for a bit while and started learning stress, and I was really surprised because that was a big step and it kind of motivated the whole team to do better.
Actually, when I was working in Sirius, when the quality went wrong, I was scared what to do and all. Then Satya came and told, "Kya hota rehta yaar? Chalo, do it properly." That's all. So then I got shocked. Oh, okay, boss must be like this. He should be encouraging. Every week when he does nice, fantastic drawings and paintings.
Yeah, once after first meeting, the next meeting was after maybe 3 or 4 months later. That time I was working in Saturday, so Satya came his own work. That time he told, "You are not interested to come to Anaspur, and how long you working here? You have to come to management side." They like that, they inspired me.
There are a lot of things, there are a lot of up and downs which has happened in our relationship with in past 7 years. There are some ups and downs, yeah, but yeah, there are many things. I cannot name it one or two.
Yeah, his ability to do everything, all the things in 10 minutes.
He knows how he should be. As a commander, he knows how to behave, and he knows how to be in a group. He is very down to earth. Whenever we have a small party or get together, he never hesitated to be part of it, and I like that.
We all went together to this beer fest, and he was eating like anything, and this really surprised me. Actually, I found him my competitor.
There was some urgent work was going for stress, for basically my work which I'm doing. So there was nobody to help me to get the drawings or design data from Katia. And I think I came on some Saturday and Sunday as well. And one Saturday, he also came to the office and he took some design. Means he took some drawings for me for doing the work. Being in his position, I don't know anybody will do that or not, but he is very down to earth. This really I got motivated from this. Being in this position also, he doing such things as well.
In the last year, December 2014, during Christmas, there is a program called Santa Claus, Secret Santa. So he was my Secret Santa. He asked, "What's your wish?" I said, one on-site trip and some Germany I want to earn. And right now I am in Germany. Thank you for that. And he is a good motivation, personally motivated for me.
मुझे तो पता नहीं है क्या होगा अभी, कुछ नहीं मालूम नहीं है तो लुल्लु लुल्लु करके बैठा रहता क्या है?
No, it's all the dialogues are really can't miss anybody. All are like.
Yeah, how long it take to finish that work? It's just 2 minutes job. Finish it now.
अरे आपका वीजा हो गया यार ना? क्या हो गया नहीं?
ठीक है यार.
Well, we again during serious times we used to have these useless meetings daily with Airbus, and Satya got really pissed at one point, and he said this in Hindi. It was like, "यार खुजलाने के लिए बुलाते हैं, खुजला के छोड़ के चले जाते हैं."
Hey, क्या यार?
It's very difficult. I don't know whether we can say it on it. सब लोग हैं.
अरे इसमें क्या है, ये तो 2 मिनट का काम है.
Anything else that you in Malayalam also?
Nothing in Malayalam, because professionally we hardly speak in Malayalam professionally. Yeah, personally yes, but professionally yeah, I think that's one quality of his I really like.
अरे कुत्ता माकड़ा, तू समझ रहा है कि नहीं? तू समझा नहीं? घुस मत.
Yeah, there are a lot actually. This year appraisal also, yeah, companies in loss. This would be the most. And usually he'll speak more dialects in Hindi. Finally he'll say, "ठीक है." Usually Rahul get a call from Satya, how he will mimic or do it. अरे राहुल कितना कंसेशन बैकलॉग यार. अरे रेड्डी कितना कंसेशन हो गया T200.
Hi Satya, எங்களை விட்டு போகாதீங்க. துசினா ஜாவ்.
All the best for his future career, personally, for family, and his career also. All the best for him. Maybe we'll meet again somewhere. We don't know. If he's in same field.
I think all the best for whatever is future venture. I definitely know him. He definitely going to succeed in.
Satya. Action speaks louder than words. Bye, Satya.
Satya, thank you very much for the company, you and the message, and for everything you did for us as a mentor, as our captain. Wish you all the very best and keep in touch.
Best of luck for your future, and have a good life ahead.
You achieve your goals. I wish you good luck and all the best. As you know, the world is small. Hope to meet again. Good luck.
All the best, Satya.
Best of luck for your future ventures. Take care. Have a nice time. We had a good run. Cheers.
I wish Satya all the best for his future ventures, and we'll surely be missing him. It's a big void that's going to be there without him.
I'll say okay. Yeah, you're a good person. I like to call you Satya more than TK because it's for Germans. No, they cannot pronounce your name properly. But yeah, I wish you a very good luck. Of course, we all miss you. Whatever you're going to do, definitely you'll be a success in that. And yeah, what is so small, we will meet definitely in future.
I wish all the best for his future.
Satya, this is absolutely not goodbye from any one of us because the world is getting smaller and smaller. I'm sure we will bump into each other sometime in the near future. So yeah, stay in touch and all the best. And I hope you give your blessings to all of us as well.
Wherever you go, I'm really feeling happy for him. Like he's going somewhere and doing like wherever you go, I know he'll do something great.
Definitely, we are all missing you. So you are a team leader, team mentor like that for me. So definitely, I miss you. Yeah.
I think Satya, you're going to start a new career in your life, and all the very best for that. And it's a small world. We all will meet soon. And goodbye, and all the best for your future.
Anyway, okay, all the best, Satya.